guys, we got some supplies. Now we're back home. I was just kind of looking over the damage, pulling back some of the layers so you can actually see like the majority of the damage. And it's really not that bad. So I'm gonna show you guys my plan of action. So if you're ever in this situation and you wanna fix it. Idea. So I got a pull strap right here. So this is gonna be doing the, I'm gonna tie this to the tree and I'm gonna tie this to the car, and I'm gonna put it in first gear and I'm gonna allow slack. Slack is the key. It has to have that really hard jerk, because if you put tension on it and then just try and go forward, you'll be able to pull it out a little bit. So because it's a drift car, I'm gonna fabricate this really cool rear crash bar and removable outer pieces, so that when things get bent or crushed again, it'll be a simple fix. Just a matter of a couple bolts. And as you can see, that's how messed up the frame rail underneath was. The exhaust hanger right there. So yeah. All right, so there, as you can see, I cut right here. This is a piece of square tubing that comes from here to over here, just like that piece of square tubing right here. And then when you come to the outside, that square tubing is where the bumper bolts to that you saw me rip off. Holy shit. Damn, Romeo, you gave me a heart attack, man. Jesus. Oh man, what's up, Bubba? Hey. So yeah, so it bolts to right there. This one, it got all tweaked, and plus, I'm probably gonna cut this up a little bit higher. I'm probably gonna end up cutting this right along that line, because I'm doing both sides. So like I said, so I'm cutting this here. We're gonna clean this up and plate this off along with this right here. This is the So we basically have a square right here. So I'm gonna put in some bracing right here. I'm gonna put in one pipe welded just right there for some extra stiffness, because the subframe's right below. So if you look right here, this will be square tubing here, and then there'll be the bash bar. So I want to put a mounting point on each one and run an aluminum hoop from one to the other, so that this section down here has a little more protection. So yeah, that's really the plan. Be sure to tune back in and check it out when we start actually doing the fab work, because that's next episode, part 3. All right, guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed it. And you know, if you want to show some support, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, because it really helps the channel out. And the more you guys can help the channel out, the more I can help you guys out. So hopefully soon we'll be doing some giveaways and things like that. Until next time, peace.